If you are still doing everything manually in 2026, then you are already behind. In this video, I am going to show you how Claude AI is helping people to finish their work in just minutes directly from their browser, and they don't need to install any softwares. So again, there is some better options Claude have as compared to ChatGPT, Perplexity. So you will click with the Gmail option, and then you will log into Claude AI. And now this is the interface. You can see there is chatbot where you can write your prompt, and then you will get feedback from the Claude. And then there is option, if you click on 4.6, so then you can see what are the version that are available out there, and you can upgrade as well. And beside that, when you click on the plus icon, there is option add files or photos, take a screenshot, and add a project. You can add project here, and also you can take screenshots. Beside that, there is the option of code create and all these over there. So you can write a prompt in a chatbot. So for example, I am interested in a personalized response, so I will write here, write email for brand collaboration, and after that you will see how Claude will respond me. So it will take a while, and then you will see how perfectly they are going to respond me. And then you can see there is some questions that they ask, like influencer, creator reaching, what are the requirements that I have. So for example, I'm going to click on professional, so then you will see the response. And again, they are asking sponsor content, so I give the answer, and now you can see they are going to write an email for me, and it will be completely different as compared to ChatGPT and Perplexity, because this is a personalized response that only Claude can give you. So this is the you can say first look of the email that Claude just write for me. So I am going to make it more precise for myself, so I will click here and then go to the setting, and now I will change all this information. I will write here Tariq. Okay, so now I will move toward what best describe my work. So I will write here, you can see marketing. Okay, so I will click on that, and then I will write all information about the requirements that I have, the feedback that I am looking for. So I will write here, you are my personal AI assistant for my YouTube channel Knowledge Elevator. And you can write anything that are in your mind, and you are going to take some feedback from Claude, so you can write here. So my requirements are for my channel is example. I will write here. After writing everything, I will save changes, and now you have option of notification if you turn on, so you can click on that. And also you can change the appearance of the Claude, like light, auto, and dark. It's completely on you, you can choose. And also you can choose the type of font, and also you have option of voice setting. So I will click on chat. So now you can see all these are information that I searched in a Claude, so that are saved in my history. So now you can see I will write a prompt here again, because I did some changes in the setting of Claude. So now the response will be completely different, because I add some information on the back side. So now you can see the response is a little bit more better as compared to the previous one. You can write any prompt, and according to that, Claude will give you a response. So it's really very simple thing that you can use, but believe me, if you are doing in the right way, with the right prompt, with the right setting, believe me, you will get a very amazing response from this. Claude have a, you can say, a disadvantage, because if you are using free of cost, then it will not give you that much options, that much try that ChatGPT and Perplexity will give. So I will recommend first you can do some work in ChatGPT, and when you precise your information and you wanna give a better shape to that, So just write a complete prompt and paste and Claude, so then you will see how amazingly well Claude give you a perfect response as compared ChatGPT and Perplexity. I really like the final up and polished response of Claude. So for example, I am going to write here something for my channel, like I want a monthly calendar for the content that I want to upload for Knowledge Elevator. So now you can see in just few seconds, Claude just prepared a very perfect with the best font, with the best colors and the style. Claude just create a perfect calendar for my content uploading. So you can see everything is completely clear and clean. So this is you can say the front of the feedback that I got. On the back side they also did some coding, and you can also copy all this information. And you can see they give you the option of download as well. If you want to download all these, you can download, and then later, for example, that will be in a Word file, so you can also do some changes if you want, like you can change the font and also the colors, add some more stuff and remove. So it's completely on you. It was the first video, and I will get back with you with some other best tutorial that will also help you how to proceed some more features that we have in Claude. So thank you so much for your time. If you like the video, hit the bell icon and subscribe Knowledge Elevator. Thank you so much. Have a good day.